So the agenda of today's topic is mainly on the stock market analysis. So I'll just take you through like how the stock market works and what are the different kinds of analysis with respect to stock market. Stock market, it is mainly divided into two branches. Okay, so here what we call it as fundamental analysis, and one more we call it as a technical analysis. So what does fundamental analysis basically include? It includes analysis of the financial statements with respect to each company. That is mainly what we call it as our balance sheet. Okay. So what we do in fundamental analysis is we analyze balance sheet, we analyze profit and loss statement of a company, we analyze shareholding pattern of a company. Okay. And there are many other aspects, like if you take a simple business, like what is the operating profit margins of the company, or how the company is performing, or what could be the future performance of the company. So all these aspects will come into basically the fundamental analysis, where we analyze a company with respect to its business aspects. For example, if I take a example of a simple company called as PVR or Inox, which we all know, it runs theaters. Okay, so we have to understand like how the theater business work, how do they get revenue from it, from what are all the different streams of revenue for PVR. For example, the main two streams of revenue is, one is selling the ticket, and one more is the food or the coke what they sell during the intervals and other things. So these are the two main aspects of their business. And what you can do is, with respect to PVR, you can analyze like how many movies are being released in 2024, how much South Indian movies are gaining profit, how much North Indian movies are, or Bollywood movies are gaining profit. And based upon these aspects, what you can do is you can decide whether you can invest in PVR or not. So this is basically what a fundamental analysis means. So now coming to the technical analysis, what does technical analysis is all about? Okay, so technical analysis is all about the charts. Okay, so in charts, what is the basic element of the chart is price. So every analysis of technical in the technical analysis is completely based upon the price of the product, or what we call it as a price of a stock. Okay, so based upon this price, we analyze whether the stock is in demand zone or a supply zone, and that is how we take a decision whether to invest in this or not. So basically in stock market, like supply and demand plays a major role here. So if the demand is high, demand is high, then the stock price will also become higher, because if the demand is there, more number of people will buy the stock and the stock price will shoot up. Similarly, if the supply is there, if more people are selling the stock, then the stock price will come down. Okay. If you want similar kind of information about stock market, kindly comment down below and follow our page, Mr. Financial Literate.